कर्नाटक के हुबली में मीडिया से बात करते हुए केंद्रीय मंत्री प्रहलाद जोशी ने विपक्षी इंडी गठबंधन की स्थिरता और नीयत पर गंभीर सवाल उठाए। उन्होंने स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहा कि इस गठबंधन के पास कोई निश्चित विचारधारा नहीं है और ये केवल अवसरवादी पार्टियों का एक समूह बनकर रह गया है। जोशी ने कांग्रेस पर निशाना साधते हुए कहा कि पहले उन्होंने ऐसी पार्टी डीएमके से हाथ मिलाया जो देश की एकता में भरोसा नहीं रखती और अब जब उन्हें वहां सत्ता की उम्मीद नहीं दिख रही तो वे टीवीके के साथ जाने की कोशिश करें। उन्होंने इसे सत्ता का लालच बताते हुए कहा कि यह घटनाक्रम एक बार फिर साबित करता है कि विपक्षी एकजुटता केवल स्वार्थ पर आधारित है।
If you can recollect, quite long back, I had told you all people also, I think you are all there at that time, that Indi Gathbandhan doesn't have any ideological faith, belief or background. It is only people of a group of gang of opportunists. It was the most unfortunate that the Congress party, which was defeated by Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, they were together in Indi. They fought against each other in Kerala. They fought against communist. Congress fought against communist fought against the Congress party. They were there in Delhi as a Indi alliance, and in many places, in West Bengal, Trinamool was fighting against Congress. Just recently in the campaign, Rahul Gandhi made a categoric in criticism, means very, very severe criticism against Mamata. Now they are in Indi. Now DMK, so DMK also, it is a Dravidian party which we never agree with their policies. We are very, very, and severely we differ with the ideology of DMK. But Congress is being a national party. They went with such a regional party who never believe in the unity of India. And now, because they do not get power under DMK, they have gone to there. It is a, I had told, it is a gang of opportunists, and now again it is proved.